Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Elike Ajaklo, or you can simply call me Eli. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my full wash day routine. So today's video is actually sponsored by Kinky hair products. It's a Ghanaian natural hair brand, yes, and they have an amazing product, yes. And today I'm going to do their whole line of products, and I'm going to show you how their products are being used on the hair. So I just want you to relax and enjoy the rest of the video. So this is my hair currently, and so I had these passion twists some weeks ago, like 4 weeks ago, and right now I'm going to cut off this length out so that I can easily pull out, or I can easily remove the twist. Okay, so when I'm done, I'm just going to take down these twists as I said earlier, and when I'm done taking them down, I'm just going to show you the length that I have now, and I'm going to continue and take down these twists as well. So I'm going to continue this process all over my head, and yeah. Okay, so this is my hair now after taking down the twists. It's very dirty because, as you can see, it's really dirty, so I really need to cleanse my hair. Okay, so I'm going to start this whole process by pre-pooing. So I'm going to use their Indian herbal oil to pre-poo. Okay, so I'm going to open this real quick, and I'm going to take a section of my hair, and I'm just trying to detangle my hair before I apply the Ayurvedic oil into the hair. So I just put a little bit of it into my palms and then apply it on the hair. Okay, so this oil is really great for hot oil treatments and sealing in moisture. Okay, so I just pick my brush and just brush through the hair to make it properly detangled. And when I'm done brushing, I just twist the hair nicely and secured. Okay, so this is what I mostly do when I'm pre-pooing my hair, especially when my hair is very tangled. It really helped soften my hair and prep my hair to be detangled. So again, I just run my fingers through my hair to be properly finger detangled, and I just go ahead and add the Ayurvedic or the herbal oil into the hair and apply it very evenly into my hair. And when I'm done, I just pick my comb or my brush and I just brush through the hair, as you all can see. And so I just massage some of the oil onto my scalp. And then again, I twist the hair down when I'm done prepping the hair. Okay, so I repeat this same process all over my hair. This herbal oil is really great for hair growth, so I just massage some of the oil into my scalp. Okay, so I rinsed out the pre-poo off camera. Okay, after I rinsed out the pre-poo, I now go on to shampoo my hair. Okay, so this shampoo is really great. It's an African black shampoo, and I love how it felt on my hair. My hair felt very soft, and what this does is it prevents hair loss, hair breakages, itchy scalp. So I generally massage my scalp. When I'm done, I just go off camera and rinse it out. I follow next with the hair conditioner. So what I do is I pour a generous amount of the conditioner into my palm, and I just apply it onto my hair. Okay, so I apply the conditioner into my hair. So as I apply the conditioner, I make sure I prevent my scalp because you don't want any product buildup on your scalp. It had the slip. The slip was amazing, and what I love most about the conditioner is it smells really great. And so I'm going to apply the conditioner all over my hair, and as I'm applying, I'm detangling as well. So I'm going to apply and detangle. Okay, so when I'm done, I go off camera and rinse out the conditioner. So this is me back from rinsing out the conditioner. Okay, so the next product is the hair butter, and so I'm going to pick another section of the hair, spray some water into the hair, and take a portion of the hair butter and start to apply onto the hair. Okay, so this also softens the hair and it enhances hair growth as well. Okay, so I'm just applying the butter onto the hair. So when I'm done, I'm just going to comb the hair again for styling. Okay, so I'm going to do a twist out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a small section of the hair again, and I'll start twisting the hair all the way down. Okay, so I'm going to keep twisting the hair till I get to the tips of the hair. So I take my comb and just comb the ends well, and I just twist again, and when I'm done twisting, I just curl the twist down. So I'm going to repeat the same twisting process on this part of the hair. Twist all the way down, and when I'm done, I just curl the ends very well. So this is an close of my hair as it's done twisted, and I'm going to twist the last section of the hair remaining. And so we are done twisting the hair. Okay, so I'm going to leave the hair to dry overnight, and this is the hair in the morning. It's all dried up. Okay, so this is my coconut oil. I'm going to pour a generous amount into my palms and apply it onto my hair. This is to prevent any tangles from occurring. So what I'm just doing is I'm twisting each twist. So I'm going to untwist all these hair, not leaving any single twist out. And when I'm done untwisting, I'm just going to separate the hair into 2 or 3 parts. Okay, so I'm just separating it to make it look more thicker and give it a little bit more volume. And so we are done separating the hair, so I'm going to take my hair pick and just pull the roots up. Okay, so I have fine hair and a low to a medium density hair, so my hair looks very thin when I'm done styling. So this makes my hair a little bit more thicker.
and yeah, it gives a volume. Okay, so this is the back side of my hair, and I'm going to add some hairpins to the side. And when I'm done, I'm going to put on some earrings, some lipstick, and a lip gloss, and we are done.
Thank you all so much for watching till the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, share, and let me know in the comment section below if you did like this video. And please turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.